Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen flickering on Honor 600. So mostly this feature is caused by the display technology, which uses a specific dimming technology, and therefore you will experience some low dimming while switched to the lower brightness level. So go to display and brightness, try disabling automatic brightness and increasing the brightness on your smartphone, and see whether this helps you. Also, if you have the dark mode enabled, try switching back to the light mode. Besides, go to color mode and temperature and try checking different color modes and see if this improves your situation. Also, try enabling or disabling smart resolution and changing refresh rate. Most probably the high refresh rate will ensure the system stability, or you can also use standard or dynamic one. So dynamic one is something in between standard and high, which is meant to be used in case you want the best refresh rate, but not as much of a power consumption that high refresh rate uses. So just change some of these settings, and eventually you will get the result that satisfies you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.